Hey, it's Brianna with WTI, and if you are looking for a stylish watch box, then I highly recommend checking out this one by BEERUST.
If you want to protect and display all of your watches in a high quality watch box, then this is definitely the one for you. It has 8 spaces for your watches and it comes with these really plush velvet pillows where you can put your watches. From the hinges and hardware to the high quality faux leather material, this is definitely a high quality luxe watch box that's going to last you for years to come. From any side, it's going to look good, so you can put it on a desk or on a dresser, on a shelf. The box itself has the same velvet material from the inside, also on the bottom, so it's not going to be sliding around, especially when you're pulling out the drawer. And speaking of the drawer, this is such a great feature to have, whether you want to add glasses, jewelry, rings, cufflinks, tie clips, whatever. Protect all of your accessories and keep them all in the same place with this great box. My husband is thrilled that he finally has a place to store all of his accessories and his watches and to prevent them from getting scratched around the house. So this is a beautiful and actually functional gift for you or for someone in your life. I think that they are going to enjoy getting to display all of their watches.
And that's my point of view.